Managing your finances can be tough. There are a lot of us, too many of us, living paycheck to paycheck.
But living off of your credit cards is not going to put you in any better of a situation. Back with us today, we have personal finance expert Christina Lynn of Lynn Financial. Thank you so much for being here. We're talking about the top signs that you have a credit card addiction.
Yeah.
Do you see this a lot?
I do. You know, it's hard to really understand when it becomes a problem because it's just part of our culture to put a lot of our expenses on credit cards.
Anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, we're talking about businesses that have gone completely cashless.
Yeah. And for normal households that just want to get the perks and it ends up kind of coming back to bite them.
So what are some of those signs that you might have a little bit of a problem?
Well, if you are paying only the minimum requirement due, that is an indication that there's a problem because you don't quite see the interest that's building up underneath. And it might surprise you how much you're actually paying for what you're putting on that credit card. So that becomes a problem.
Okay, which gets to you're surprised at how big your bill is.
Yes, the surprise comes in because you're probably putting things beyond what your normal budget is on the credit card, like an impulse buy. And if it's an impulse buy, you probably don't have it to fit within your budget. And so that's how you start carrying balances from month to month.
I'm sure, you know, obviously you want to have a monthly budget and things like that, just know what's in your means. Is there anything in particular that you think you should just not put on your credit card?
Ooh, what I would suggest is not moving balances to balances. Like if you see one credit card that is offering a really good rate and thinking, oh, let's just move it here for the perks or the good rate here, that I would definitely advise not to do.
But rolling your balance onto a new card, maybe that doesn't have the interest rate, right? For no service fee, all those sort of things. Like that might help get you ahead.
Yeah, it seems like something bright and shiny that you want to take advantage of, but make sure to read the fine print on those offers because a lot of times the rollovers don't qualify for those good rates.
What is your best piece of advice to somebody that is really struggling to get away from using them?
Well, I would say, let's see here. I would say that come up with a budget and make sure that you stick with it and don't use it for just the perks because that can eventually come back to bite you in the butt. Make sure that you have everything within your budget so it doesn't get out of hand.
And I know we're running out of time here really quick.
We are out of time.
We are
actually,
out of time.
yeah,
Oh, shoot, I had one more.
We've got a lot to get to the rest of the show. Christina, it's always great to see you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and we will have you back in very soon. I know there's some other really great topics we need to cover. We'll be right back. This will all be online after the show.